Janet rolls a standard 6-sided die 4 times and keeps a running total of the numbers she rolls. What is the probability that at some point her running total will equal 3? We can solve this problem by looking at all 4 times that Janet rolls the dice and seeing if it's the first roll that gets her running total to 3, the second roll that gets her running total to 3, the third, or the fourth. We'll split it into cases that way. We know that if Janet has a running total of 3 by the first roll, there's only one way for her to do that. And that one way is just to roll 3 the first time. Now, if Janet has a running total of 3 by her second roll, there's a couple ways for her to do that. She could roll a 1 and then a 2, or a 2 and then a 1, but those are the only ways. So there's 2 ways for the second case. Now, if Janet has a running total of 3 by her third roll, there's only one way for her to do that, and that's to get a 1, a 1, and a 1. So there's one possibility for that case. And if Janet has a running total of 3 by her fourth roll, well, we know that isn't really possible because the lowest she can roll every time is 1. So she rolls 4 times. Her running total will be at least 4. However, we know that for each case, say when Janet has her running total of 3 by the first roll, there's several ways to accomplish that because the other 3 rolls could be anything. So we're going to find the number of ways that the first case could be achieved. And there are 6 to the power 3 ways we could determine the last 3 rolls if we fix the first roll for Janet to roll a 3. We can do this for the other cases too. So our final probability is going to be the number of ways for the first case, the number of ways for the second case, and the number of ways for the third case, all divided by the total number of ways Janet can roll her die 4 times, which is 6 to the power of 4. And we're just going to simplify this fraction. Note that the numerator of our fraction is what it is because 1 times 6 to the power 3 plus 2 times 6 to the power 2 plus 6 is essentially adding up all the cases, all the successful cases. So the fraction ends up simplifying to 49 over 216. And we see that matches answer choice B. Please subscribe if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.